Best VPN for Firestick. Did you know that you can actually convert a regular TV into a smart one? All you need is a streaming device called Firestick. This gadget can give you access to all of your favorite streaming services, such as Kodi, Hulu, and Netflix. Amazing, right? Welcome to my channel. Today, I will help you understand why you need the best VPN when using Firestick and help you find an ideal one. Now, for you to enjoy using Firestick, you need the best VPN. Why use one? This is an excellent question. Though Firestick in itself is a good streaming device, you may experience some setbacks when using it without a VPN. The most common ones include online surveillance, content geo-restriction, legal hassles, and internet throttling. All this can negatively affect how you use this streaming device. Looking for the best experience? Consider VPN, since it can help you overcome all this. Let us now proceed to our list of the best VPN for Firestick. ExpressVPN. If you are not new to VPNs, you have probably thought of signing up with this VPN. ExpressVPN is on my list for valid reasons. You must know that a good VPN should have robust security features. Well, you can enjoy such by going for ExpressVPN for Firestick. This is not only a strict no-log policy, but also 256-bit AES encryption, kill switch, and split tunneling. With this VPN, you can easily connect to one of the 3,000 servers located in over 160 locations. ExpressVPN ensures that you can enjoy an unrestricted entertainment experience without any worries. Cool, right? That is not all. Check out the amazing discount that you can get from this VPN for Firestick. Subscribing to a one-year plan will help you enjoy 3 months of this service free of charge. What a way to kill more than one bird with a single stone. Surfshark. Now, ExpressVPN is not the only VPN for Firestick on my list. Though it is a good VPN, there are other VPNs that you can use for Firestick. Surfshark is also another good example. Are you trying to work with a budget but still need a good VPN? Worry not. Surfshark can be a great choice. This tries to achieve a balance between features and pricing. It can save you from the high cost of ExpressVPN and still help you use Firestick without any limitations. Does it sound like the perfect fit? Wait until you hear its features. Thanks to its military-grade encryption, Surfshark can give you peace of mind as you stream activities on Firestick since it enhances protection. You can rely on this VPN to provide you with a secure online experience. Are you still wondering why I consider this the best VPN for Firestick? Surfshark has a no-logs policy and contains the multi-hop feature, camouflage mode, leak protection, and kill switch. You are probably wondering, is this VPN fast? Well, we have good news for you. With more than 1,000 servers in over 60 countries, Surfshark has decent speeds. The best part about Surfshark is that you can use it on an unlimited number of devices simultaneously. NordVPN. This is among my favorite VPNs for Firestick since it offers reliable connections. Even if you have never used a VPN for Firestick before, you will not struggle with this one. It has a user-friendly app for such streaming devices. You can easily connect your device to secure servers with a single click. Do you want to remain anonymous as you stream or unblock Netflix from any location? You can achieve all this with NordVPN. The best VPN for Firestick should use encryption technology to tunnel your online traffic through secure servers. NordVPN does precisely that. Though this VPN may not be as fast as ExpressVPN, it can still give you value for your cash and help you enjoy using Firestick. IPVanish. Are you still not sure which VPN for Firestick you should choose? Why not test one fast? IPVanish gives you at least 30 days to test it. Since it comes with a money-back guarantee, you can be assured of a refund if you're not happy. But I am sure you will not need a refund since this is also among the best VPN for Firestick. With this VPN, you can connect to one of the 1,400 servers located in more than 70 locations. The best part is that it can help you connect an unlimited number of devices at a go. These are my top 4 VPNs for Firestick. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. Which VPN from my list did you like most for Firestick? Let us know through a comment on the section below. Feel free to like and subscribe to this channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.